everyone. So today is the day that we finally put together the crib. The crib. As you can see behind us, we painted an accent wall.
Yeah.
And we had to get the edges just right.
Yeah.
Let the paint dry. And now it's time to put together the crib, the centerpiece of the room, shall we say, so that we can get this show on the road. Now we'll warn you that it took us about 3 hours to put together the dresser that corresponds to this crib. However, we must get it done. It may take us all night, people, but we'll time lapse the video so it won't look like it took that long.
So this is a Simmons Kids
Slumbertime.
Crib.
It's the Rowen.
Rowen
is the name of the style, which has been discontinued or was being discontinued. But it's really cute, dark espresso, and it's one of the cribs that converts to toddler bed and then to a twin size bed. Yep. So we have all the conversion rails and kits and things like that to last him until he moves out to go to college.
Yes.
Yay. Phase 1 crib.
Yeah. What color is this?
They call it Black Espresso.
Black Espresso.
We'll show you the dresser too, so that way you can get an idea of how it looks. But
yeah, let's get to it.
Here we go. Oh, I guess I should show you my belly. It's grown since the last time we've talked.
You need to come around here, Dan.
Pull this down. You can see it. There's our son. He said, get my bed together.
This is what we have. Hopefully you can see it.
No, they can't see it.
Rowen collection, the crib that goes into the toddler bed. They can go to a full-size bed. So we just opened up this box and there's no instructions unless we're just looking over it.
Open up this box. I don't know why it would be in there. We were feeling real silly.
Yeah. It's so big, yet it only includes something this small. Step 1. Look and see what you have.
Oh, yeah, great.
The following tools and parts are required. So we need the Allen wrench, which is included, and all these bolts.
We don't need a screwdriver?
Nope. It doesn't look like it.
Okay.
We're gonna get our part. The back of the part package is perforated. Perforated, right? That's how you say it. Perforated.
Perforated.
Part 11 and 10. 10 is this little thingamajigger. And 11 is this screw.
Yeah, yeah.
So you're gonna put part 10.
I don't know where you're reading this.
Right here.
I'm reading step number 1. Attach feet.
Which is
your part's 12. No, that's those.
I'm getting 12. You gotta put these in first though. Okay, step 1, attach feet.
Well, it's not reading the directions.
I'm reading the directions.
No. Attach feet, 2 of them.
Yeah.
Part number 12.
Which I have.
To the back rail. Using 4 M6 135 bolts, part 11s. And the barrel nuts, part number 10s.
Exactly.
Tighten with an Allen wrench. Use a flathead screwdriver.
It didn't say that. It didn't say that in the tool.
Use a flathead screwdriver to hold the barrel nut in proper alignment.
It didn't say that at first. If you look at the very first thing I read, the next page, it says nothing about a flathead screwdriver. So I'm gonna get a flathead screwdriver.
Okay, Okay, let me just say to start that there are a lot less steps in doing this than the dresser. So maybe this won't take us 3 hours like the dresser did. The dresser took us 3 hours, y'all. Okay, step 2.
Step 2. You are going to attach right crib side to back rail. Use M6 45mm bolt, part number 7.
So we're going to stand it up at this point?
Yes.
Okay.
And then attach left crib side, part number 3. So we're going
to stand it up, turn it around.
Yes. Okay. Part number 3.
That says inside left.
Inside right. So, this is right or left?
Looking at it, so this would be right.
This is right. Okay.
I mean, that's the way I would understand it. I mean, that does say inside. Right?
Boom.
No. Maybe inside. This is the inside of the crib.
Well,
You had it right the first time.
It goes this way then. So this is right. You were right the first time.
Oh! I was right.
I just didn't see the holes over here. There's holes on the other side. For anybody else that wants to do this.
Whenever it's saying right and left, it's right and left as you're facing the back of the crib.
So there are holes on both sides, which makes sense.
And the wife is right. Just saying.
She wasn't right, she just wasn't incorrect.
AKA right.
So anyway, there's 3 bolts that connects, or 3 screws that connect the back rail to the side rails. Step 3, after she gets
I'm not done with step 2!
when she gets this tightened down, is going to be putting the mattress support on. You're going to use 4 M6 by 18mm bolts. Which side was it?
Something is wrong with Christopher's equilibrium tonight. You probably should have done that the other way around, dude. Oh, it's that tight, but yet it came off somehow.
I didn't pull it off.
I know, I'm just saying. See? Once again, I was correct.
Shit.
I'm just saying. Correct.
Alright.
I mean, not incorrect. Oh, alright. Well, then they're not supposed to be up. They're supposed to be
There.
I'm scared of me to scratch this.
Whoops.
What?
That's the wrong bolt.
Christopher. Can you read?
Alright.
How did you pull
I
out
accidentally pulled out the wrong bolt.
Which ones did you pull out?
The 35mm. We need the 18.
Oh, good God.
So there's more than 4. There's 8. But anyway, it doesn't make a difference. We can take it out.
I was just thinking that I was like, this screw looks way longer than this board is.
Nobody asked her. So anyway. All that matters is we're going to get this put together.
Getting off stickers, if anybody's wondering what I'm doing. I hate leaving the stickers with the numbers on here. Step number 4.
This is the front.
It says Attach the front rail to the crib assembly from step number 3. Use 6 of the 45mm bolts, part number 7, and the Allen wrench.
Okay. The bolts attach from the inside. 3.
And yes, we're doing this in our onesies.
Yes.
Gotta be comfortable while you work. Get that Allen wrench in the end of it.
I got it. And boom.
Ta-da!
It's completely finished.
Oh, and we figured out that the last little rail piece that we put off to the side earlier is for whenever you do the conversion into a daybed, which we just need a crib right now.
So here's the finished product. Wait, you want to talk?
This is a Rowen crib and more. Black Espresso.
So you can see on the inside there is the mattress support connected, the headboard or the sideboard, because the baby's gonna be laying this.
It's a headboard, come on.
Anyway, most of the bolts are on the inside, or actually all of them. And this dresser, unfortunately, took us a little bit to put together.
3 hours.
3 hours to be exact. And the top there, if you can see, this is actually a changing station.
Changing table.
Top. So anyway, these are the 2 things that go together. Anyway, the crib was much easier than the dresser. And now we're almost finished with well, we'll finish with the big furniture.
Yes.
Assuming the big furniture for a cruise. That's our son.
Stop saying it like that.
Anyway, so good.
Yes, good. Pretty. Easy. 4 steps. Pretty quick. Especially if you've had any of the other pieces. You've already got the Allen wrench and you guys can double time it. And you can go on each side once we figured that out at the very end.
So, thanks for watching. And if you happen to get your hands on a Simmons crib,
yeah,
I'm pretty sure they're probably all built the same way.
Yeah.
So it's gonna be pretty easy to put together as a crib. Now we'll see how it's gonna be later on when we convert it to a day bed or a full-size bed. Anyway, we'll catch y'all later on the next video. Bye.
Yeah.